हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन मैथ्स क्लास। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 6.2 लाइन एंड प्लेन मैथ्स पेपर 1 वो करने जा रहे हैं। 6.1 के सारे क्वेश्चंस हमने इसके पहले के 2 वीडियोस में किए हैं, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है। ये वीडियो हम एक्सरसाइज 6.2 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। लाइन एंड प्लेन, that is chapter number 6 of mathematics paper 1। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और इसका प्रिपरेशन भी हम वैसे ही करा रहे हैं। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नहीं हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और आपके फ्रेंड्स में इसका लिंक शेयर कीजिए। लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ एक्सरसाइज 6.2, that is question number 1, line and plane। what is given here? Find length of perpendicular from the point 2 minus 3 1 to line. This is the equation of line x plus 1 upon 2, y minus 3 upon 3, z plus 1 upon minus 1. So this line is here and here is a point P. ये perpendicular distance हमको find करना है, PM perpendicular distance find करना है। इसके पहले के वीडियो में हमने जो है एनी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन, इसका फॉर्मूला हमने दिया है। एनी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन इज गिवन बाय, सपोज वी डिनोट दिस बाय, सी दिस इज इक्वल टू से लैम्बडा, ईच इज इक्वल टू से लैम्बडा। देन एनी पॉइंट ऑन दिस लाइन इज गिवन बाय 2 लैम्बडा माइनस 1, 3 लैम्बडा प्लस 3, माइनस लैम्बडा प्लस माइनस 1। सो देयरफॉर एनी पॉइंट x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 lambda minus 1, y is equal to what? 3 lambda plus 3, and z is equal to what? Minus lambda and minus 1. So this is what coordinates of any point on the line। मान लो ये m is any point on the line, so m के coordinates हम ये लिख सकते हैं। So therefore coordinates of, see here solution, m is a point, so coordinates of point on the line is given by, so m के coordinates हम लिख सकते हैं, that is 2 lambda minus 1 x coordinate, 2 lambda minus 1 x coordinate, y coordinate is what? 3 lambda plus 3, that is y coordinate, z coordinate is what? Minus lambda माइनस 1। ये हो गए कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ m। अभी डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ pm वी कैन फाइंड। व्हाट इज DRS ऑफ pm? सो DRS ऑफ pm इज x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1। सो व्हाट इज DRS ऑफ pm? सो व्हाट आर DRS ऑफ pm? 2 lambda minus x2 minus x1, so 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2, 3 lambda plus 3, minus of minus 3 will be plus 3, and minus lambda minus 1 minus 1, so it is minus lambda minus 1 and this is minus 1, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1। so हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, that is 2 lambda minus 3, 3 lambda plus 6 and minus lambda minus 2। this is what DRS of pm। so let's say we denote it by a1, b1, c1। अभी DRS of this line, direction ratios of this line 2, 3 and minus 1, x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c। मतलब ये a, b, c are DRS, direction ratios of this line। so DRS of line, what are DRS of line? so DRS of line are 2, 3 minus 1। let's say it is a2, b2, c2, a2, b2, c2। अभी दिस pm इज परपेंडिकुलर टू लाइन है, PM परपेंडिकुलर टू लाइन है. अगर परपेंडिकुलर है, so if two vectors are perpendicular, then DRS A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So we are going to use this. Now PM is perpendicular to line. Therefore A1 A2, इससे हम लैम्बडा फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अननोन. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, that is equal to 0. So 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 6 plus minus 1 into minus lambda minus 2, and that is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0 because PM is perpendicular to the line. अभी 4 lambda, this is 4 lambda, this is 9 lambda, and this is what lambda minus 6, and this is what 18. So minus 6 plus 18, and this is what plus 2, that is equal to 0. 20 minus 6, that is 14, and this is what again 14. This 4 lambda, 9 lambda and lambda, that is 14 lambda. So which is 14 lambda, and which is equals to, this is how much, 14 is equal to 0. That means we are getting lambda is equal to, see, minus 14 upon 14, that is minus 1. हमको lambda की वैल्यू मिली है. So we are getting here value of lambda, that is equal to minus 1. This value of lambda we substitute over here, you will get the foot of perpendicular. ये foot of perpendicular है, so we will get foot of perpendicular if you put value of lambda over here. So we substitute value of lambda over here, and we will get foot of perpendicular. So M is foot of perpendicular, which is 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda plus 3, and minus lambda minus 1, which is 2 lambda. Lambda is what? Minus 1. So ये minus 2 है, minus 1 है, it is minus 3. 3 lambda, that is minus 3. इसमें लैम्बडा हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे minus 1, so this becomes minus 3, and plus 3 is 0. Minus of lambda and this minus 1, so it is plus 1 and minus 1. This is again 0. So foot of perpendicular M will be minus 3 0 0. Now we find what? By distance formula PM. Distance formula से हम PM find करेंगे. So how we get PM? By distance formula. So by distance formula we will find what? PM. So M coordinates are minus 3 0 0, and P coordinates are 2 minus 3 1. So we use here distance formula and get PM. So it is root of x1 minus x2 square, that is 2 minus of minus 3, that is 2 plus 3 whole square, minus 3 minus 0, minus 3 minus 0 square, and 1 minus 0 square. So this gives us root of 5 square 25 plus 9 plus 1, which is root of 35 PM, that is distance, length of perpendicular from the point to the line. So unit, this will be the length of perpendicular from point P to the line. Find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular from point 2i minus j plus 5k to the line. This is the equation of line, and also you have to find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular, as well as we will find what? Length of perpendicular. See, this is a point through which we have drawn perpendicular. This is the foot of perpendicular. हमको ये foot of perpendicular के coordinates find करने, that is m के coordinates find करने हैं. M is a point on this line whose equation is given by this. अभी और also PM, that is this length PM also we have to find. जैसे हमने एक previous question में discuss किया, the same argument we will discuss here. अभी m के coordinates are given by, this is any point on the line. It is given by what? ये already इस form में है, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. मतलब वेक्टर फॉर्म में है ये इक्वेशन. सो डायरेक्टली विल गेट 11 plus 10 lambda minus 2 minus 4 lambda minus 8 minus 11 lambda. These are the coordinates of point on line. So m is any point on the line. So which coordinates are given by 11 plus 10 lambda. 11 plus 10 lambda minus 2 minus 4 lambda minus 8 minus 11 lambda. Coordinates of point m. But m is what? Foot of perpendicular. इसमें जो lambda unknown है, that we will find. So first of all we find lambda value of lambda, that is unknown. ये substitute करेंगे तो आपको foot of perpendicular मिलेगा. And by using distance formula you can find the length of perpendicular which is required here. So equation of line is in this form, r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. So and we have to find length of perpendicular from this point, 2i minus j plus 5k, that is 2 minus 1 5 is the point through which perpendicular is drawn. Abhi we will find what? Direction ratios of PM. So DRS of PM. What are the direction ratios of PM? So it is 11 plus 10 lambda minus 2. 11 plus 10 lambda minus 2, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Minus 4 lambda and minus 2 minus 4 lambda, and minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. Minus 8 minus 11 lambda minus 5. DRS of the line. Simplify. This is what? 10 lambda plus 9 minus 4 lambda minus 1 minus 11 lambda minus 13. These are what? DRS of the line. Let's say it is A1, B1 and C1. Now DRS of the line given by this. The line is parallel to this vector. So this is what? DRS of line. 10 minus 4 and 11 minus 11. So DRS of line 10 minus 4 minus 11, which is A2, B2, C2. Now as it is perpendicular, line is perpendicular to PM or PM is perpendicular to line. So A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is 0. So PM is perpendicular to line, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, that is equal to 0. So from this you will get value of lambda. So 10 into 10 plus 10 lambda plus 9 minus 4 into minus 4 lambda minus 1 minus 11 into minus 11 lambda minus 13, that is equal to 0. So that is equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. C will 100 lambda, then this is 16 lambda, 121 lambda, and 90 plus 4 plus 143. Multiply this 143. So if we add this, we are getting 100 lambda, 16 lambda and 121 lambda. It is 237 lambda, and these numbers we add, that gives us 237 is equal to 0. Therefore we are getting here lambda is equal to, what? Minus 1. So we are getting here lambda is equal to minus 1. Substitute lambda is equal to minus 1. Here you will get the foot of perpendicular. Lambda is minus 1, so 11 minus 10, that is 1. Minus 1, so it is plus 4 minus 2, that is 2. Here minus 1, so it is 11 minus 8, that is equal to 3. So therefore we are getting foot of perpendicular M is equal to 11 minus 10, because lambda is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 into minus 1, minus 8, minus 11 into minus 1. So this is what? 1. This is plus 4 minus 2, 2. This is plus 11 minus 8, 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the coordinates of foot of perpendicular. So this is what? Foot of perpendicular. Then we find by using distance formula PM, that is the length of perpendicular. We will find PM, length of perpendicular. So PM is equal to, by distance formula we will find it, 2 minus 1 square minus 1 minus 2 square 5 minus 3 square, which is root of 1. This is 9, and this is what? 2 square 4, 14, root 14. That is the perpendicular distance units. So perpendicular distance is 14 unit, root 14 units, and the coordinates of foot of perpendicular are 1, 2, 3. Question number 3, find shortest distance between these two skew lines. So skew lines means that the lines are neither intersecting nor parallel. So in three-dimensional geometry we can see that lines which are neither intersecting nor parallel. So such lines are skew lines, and shortest distance between two skew lines is given by A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. यह समझो R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, और दूसरी लाइन है R bar is equal to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. So shortest distance is given by this formula, D is equal to A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. So सबसे पहले हम will denote it. This is what? A1 bar. This is B1 bar. That is R bar is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 bar. A2 bar, and this is what? B2 bar. That is R bar is equal to A2 plus mu B2 bar. So A1 bar is equal to what? A1 bar is equal to 4i minus j, and A2 bar is equal to I minus j, I minus j plus 2k. This is, see, the equation is of this form: R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, and R bar is equal to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. So this is what? A1 bar and A2 bar. We'll write A2 bar minus A1 bar. Therefore A2 bar minus A1 bar is equal to, so A2 bar minus A1 bar, we will take difference here. So A2 bar minus A1 bar, difference we will take minus, see, I minus 4j, so that is minus 3, see, I minus 4i, so minus 3i. j is getting cancelled, so we'll write what 0j और ये 2k. This is a2 bar minus a1 bar. Then b1 cross b2 will find. b1 cross b2 cross product we will find ijk b1. So b1 bar is this, I plus 2j minus 3k is b1 bar, 1 2 minus 3, and b2 bar is this, 1 4 minus 5 is b2 bar. डिटर्मिनेंट एक्सपेंड करेंगे b1 क्रॉस b2, दैट इज I j k 1 2 minus 3 1 4 minus 5. This is b1, this is b2. We'll expand this determinant I into minus 10 plus 12 minus j into minus 5 plus 3 plus k into 4 minus 2. So we are getting b1 cross b2 is equal to 2i plus 2j. This is what 2. Again here 2k. 2 take common from here. I plus j plus k. Magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is equal to 2 times root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1, which is 2 root 3. This is what b1 cross b2. Now यहाँ पे हमको फाइंड करना है a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. So we find what a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 is this. a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 is equal to dot product of these vectors, minus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2, 0 into 2, 2 into 2 again, that is minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. That is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2. So we put in the formula. So distance d is equal to a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2. See, this dot product comes out to be minus 2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Magnitude means what? Plus sign we have to take. That distance will be positive. 1 by root 3 units will be the distance between two lines. 1 by root 3 units. Question number 4. Find shortest distance between the lines. The lines are given in Cartesian form. मतलब इस फॉर्म में दिया है x माइनस x1 अपॉन ए, y माइनस y1 अपॉन b, z माइनस z1 अपॉन c. दिस इज व्हाट कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. दोनों इक्वेशन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में दिया है, तो इसका फॉर्मूला होगा डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइंस इज गिवन बाय दिस फॉर्मूला x2 माइनस x1, y2 माइनस y1, z2 माइनस z1. a1 b1 c1 आर DRS ऑफ द फर्स्ट लाइन. a2 b2 c2 आर DRS ऑफ द सेकेंड लाइन. And then determinant of this p1 c2 minus b2 c1 square, magnitude of that determinant. So we compare this equation. So हमको यहाँ पे x minus x1 मतलब x1 क्या होता है, we are getting here x1 is equal to minus 1, इसका opposite sign, y1 is equal to minus 1 और z1 is equal to also minus 1. a1 b1 c2 c1 B1 is what? DRS minus 6, C1 is equal to 1, X2 3, Y2 5, Z2 7. DRS of the second line A2 1, B2 minus 2, C2 1. So by using this formula what we'll get, हम न्यूमरेटर अगर सॉल्व करते हैं, so we'll write it directly. D is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus of minus 1, y2 minus y1, so y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus of minus 1, z2 minus z1, 7 plus 1, a1 b1 c1, 7 minus 6 1, a2 b2 c2, a2 b2 c2, that is 1 minus 2 and 1, divided by square root of minus 6 into 1 minus of minus 2 into 1. So that will be minus 6 and it is plus 2 whole square, using this b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus c2 b1. So that is 2 square plus a1 c, see here a1 c2 minus, that is 7 minus this 1 square plus a1 b2, that is minus 14 plus 6 square. Now we simplify this 4, 6 and 8, this as it is, इसको simplify करेंगे. So it is minus 4 square, that is 16, this is 6 square 36, and this is what? 8, minus 8 square 64. So this denominator comes out to be what? 116. इसको हम expand करेंगे. So this determinant will expand 4 into minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 into 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 plus 8 into minus 14 plus 6 upon denominator is what? Square root of 116. This is what? 116, which is, this is what? minus 4 and this minus 16, but we want distance, so it will be in magnitude. And so as it is in magnitude, this is what? 6 and minus 6 minus 36. Here it is minus 8 and this 8 minus 64 upon root of 116. Same number you are getting in the numerator but in negative. So it is 116 upon root of 116, and the distance d is equal to root of 116, which is root of 4 into 29, 36, 3 and 8, 3, 11. So which is equals to 2 root 29 units will be the shortest distance between two lines. Question number 5. Find perpendicular distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the given line. This is a given line whose equation is this x minus 1 upon 2 y plus 1 upon minus 3 z minus plus 10 upon 8. मतलब इस लाइन के DRS क्या है 2 minus 3 8. The line is passing through this point 1 minus 1 minus 10 and its DRS are 2 minus 3 8. M is a foot of perpendicular. M कोई भी point है, so that कोई भी point we will write as, say it is equal to lambda, then 2 lambda plus 1 x coordinate, minus 3 lambda minus 1 is y coordinate, 8 lambda minus 10 is z coordinate. So these are coordinates of M, which is a point on the line. अब हम इसके DRS फाइंड करेंगे. So DRS of PM R x2 minus x1 मतलब 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1, y2 minus y1 minus 3 lambda minus 1 minus 0, 8 lambda minus 10 minus 0, 8 lambda minus 10 minus 0. So this is what DRS of PM, that is 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 1, 8 lambda minus 10, A1 B1 C1 suppose. अब ये गिवन लाइन के DRS क्या है 2 minus 3 8, 2 minus 3 8 are DRS of the given line. So DRS of given line, what 2 minus 3 8, that is A2 B2 C2. Now up this PM is perpendicular to the line, therefore A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, that is equal to 0. That means 2 lambda into 2 minus 3 lambda minus 1 into minus 3, 8 into 8 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. 4 lambda, 9 lambda, 64 lambda minus, see it is minus of minus, that is plus 3, and this is what minus 80 is equal to 0. This is what 70, it is 77 minus 77, and this is also minus 7 plus 77 lambda, and this is what minus 77. Therefore what we'll write, this 77 is getting cancelled and lambda is equal to 1. So we are getting lambda is equal to what 1. So हमको lambda का value आया 1. So that value we substitute, so we'll get foot of perpendicular. So M foot of perpendicular, substitute lambda is equal to 1. So here lambda is equal to 1. We substitute 2, 1 plus 2, minus 1 minus 3, minus 10 plus 8, which is foot of perpendicular will be 3, minus 4, and this is what minus 2. Coordinates of foot of perpendicular, but we are interested to find the perpendicular distance. So by using distance formula, हम distance formula use करेंगे और perpendicular distance PM we will find. So perpendicular distance PM is given by using distance formula root of 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 square -2 - 0 square, which is PM, perpendicular distance. 2 square 4, 16, and this is what? 4, which is root of 24. This is 24 units. So this we can write as 2 root 6 also. 4 into 6. So 2 root 6 units will be the perpendicular distance. हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक, एक्सरसाइज 6.2 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक कंप्लीट किया है. सो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस वी डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो इस वीडियो को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.